Let's give it up for our very own scorned woman from the diary of a black mad woman who became a pick-me girl, and after enduring disrespect and crying on national TV, mina baba ngiyamthanda uMpumelelo, ngiyayithanda ingane yakho. Yeah, hey, yes, her. And later she chose that man because he put a ring on it. So why not go with the flow? She's now checking her man's video comments, guys, and she is watching that man because she knows that it's not just you, but the man is loose. He might just pick wife number 3 from the comments. So guys, diyaninganda. Khuzekani wine njedani isike yaxhaphaka kakhulu ngoku into yamabhinqa afuna amadoda abantu, especially amadoda atshatileyo. So a video of Mpumelelo Mseleku, all suited up, dancing with another gentleman, started doing the rounds and is currently trending. The girls flocked in the comment section. They were tagging each other. Bamngane izobona bafana akubafana. The girls finally saw what Tirelo and Vuyokazi were fighting for. I think it's the suit, but females now find him sexy apparently. They find him sexy. They understand apparently why Tirelo is still holding on. Hello, hi, welcome. I am Simi Sotasha, your chummy that is always ready to spill the beans, no fear or favor. So make sure you are subscribed and hit that notification bell for more content on this channel. Now let's get into Indaba Zabantu. When did we go from we hate Mpumelelo uyanyanyisa chongobango small boy to finding him attractive between? In fact, this is the video that got the ladies falling for Mpumelelo all over again. And honestly, the only person I find sexy here is that older man next to him. Yum. He's like a silver flocks madoda, you know, a salt and pepper kind of guy. Yeah. Guys, I find him good looking, but these were some of the comments from that video. Ngaze ngafisa ukuba chapi ndizoba itype kambomzi. Mina kade shem ngamthanda abafazi ngiyaxolisa. I'm sorry Tirelo mama, I understand kahle manje. Awani lama goosebumps engiba nawo manje. Wasubukeka kwenze njani manje? Can I be number 3 please? I'm sorry for judging you too soon, Tirelo. Sibindi kutheni ndikurhalela just ngale video plus nalo guy una 60 and above. Bathong sibindi kanti omotle so. But honestly, I went through the comments and they were more about the gray-haired gentleman more than they were about Mpumelelo. So I don't know if Tirelo felt offended or amused, but she had something to say about that video. You know, guys, a woman scorned, she never fully healed and she never fully trusts. This is what she had to say.
The comments. Hey, how bafazi? Kanti nisuke ngithukela ukuthi nani niyamfuna. But guess what? We can all have him. He's for all of us. Let's have khala wesi.
Ungathini wena if they were sabaweling your man. Guys, we have caused Tirelo a lot of chest pains. Let's let her rest, okay? Can we really be drooling over a married man with 3 kids? We can't be serious. What do you have to say for yourself? Drop your comments in the box below. It's not that deep, okay? Or is it? As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more spicy gossip and trending stories. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.